Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. Eduonix has launched their summer sale offer through which you can get their degree programs at 50% off, and apart from that you will also get a 50% card discount. So I'll explain about this summer sale offer in detail, and I'll also show you some tricks through which you can get the best value out of this offer. So we'll be seeing that in detail. Before we see the offer, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. So now let us get into the content. Usually the cost of degree programs will be very high, but with this summer sale offer we can get it at a very cheap rate. So first let us see what are the degree programs available in Eduonix. So they have game development eDegree, and if you see the original price of this eDegree program, it's 16,800, but you can get it for just 2,350 with this super summer sale offer. So it's a very good offer. So let's see what other degree programs are available here in Eduonix. So you have data science and engineering eDegree program, cloud computing eDegree, full stack JavaScript developer eDegree program is available, and then JavaScript frameworks mini eDegree is available for you. Blockchain and cryptocurrency eDegree, it's a very good one. Cryptocurrency is growing, and Python mini eDegree is available, and then digital marketing eDegree, and this is one of the famous products of Eduonix. I have heard about this, and cyber security eDegree is also available for you, and IoT, that is Internet of Things eDegree is available, and advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning eDegree is available for you. MERN-Stack developer eDegree program is also available. Artificial intelligence and machine learning eDegree program is available, and finally we have this DevOps eDegree program. So we have seen nearly 10 plus eDegree programs here. You can get all these eDegree programs at a very low price now with this summer sale offer. And if you want to know more details about these offers, these degree programs, you can just go into it. For example, let me go into this cybersecurity degree program. Here it is. Here it is. So once you go into that particular DE degree program page, you can find more details about that, like the key highlights of the program and what you will be learning in that particular e-degree program, and the entire curriculum will be given here. So you can check this out. What are the things that you will be learning in this particular e-degree, and you have to really go through this if you are really interested in buying this. And here they have given what are the tools and technologies that will be covered in the particular program, and what are the projects that you need to complete to get this degree certificate. And here they have given a sample degree certificate that you will get after completing this program, and they have also listed the job opportunities that you can look at after completing this degree program. So they have given all the details here. You can just take a look at it once you go into the particular e-degree page. For example, I have shown you this cybersecurity e-degree. I'll share you all the links. I'll share all the e-degree programs given here. I'll share you all the links. You can just make use of it. So now let's see how to buy this. So if you see here, the price is given as 4,650, and already a 50% off is applied. You can see that here, and you don't have to pay this 4,650. It's lower than that. I'll show you how you can do that now. So just click on add to cart in whichever e-degree you want to enroll in, and then click on go to cart. And as you can see here, now the e-degree has been added to my cart, and here you can see the price is 4,640, and including GST of 837, it has come to 5,487. But you don't have to pay this much, we can reduce it. So just click on available coupons here, and here you can see the maximum discount that you can get for a particular degree that you select. So for this one, I can avail a maximum discount of 30%. So I can just select this offer and click on apply coupon. Once we apply the coupon, here you can see that the price has drastically reduced and become 3,841 rupees. So we can buy this cyber security e-degree program for just 3,841 rupees. So you can do this if you want to buy the degree programs individually. If you are interested in buying more than one e-degree program, you can do this method, which I'm going to show you. For example, if you want to buy this cyber security e-degree as well as this blockchain and cryptocurrency e-degree program, let's say you want to buy this as well, just click on this add to cart and just click on go to cart now. And now you can see that the total price is given as 11,328 for both the degree programs, blockchain and cryptocurrency plus cyber security e-degree program. Now if you click on available coupons, you can see that 50% discount coupon has been made available for you. You can just select it and click on the apply coupon button. So once you do that, the coupon will be applied. You can see that the price has become very low. You can see that here 5,664. So earlier we bought one eDegree program at 3,841. But if you want to buy it in bulk, you can do this. You can purchase everything and you can use the 50% maximum discount if you buy two programs together. So you can just make use of this to the maximum level. So this is how you need to buy the degree program. You can just click on proceed to checkout and you can just buy the degree programs. I hope you'll find this useful, and I'll give you all the link of these eDegree programs in the description. You have digital marketing, cybersecurity, Python, blockchain, JavaScript. Everything is covered here, full stack JavaScript developer. So I'll give you the individual links of all the degree programs that has been given in Eduonix. So if you buy any degree program through that link, I'll get a small commission. So that will be helping me. So this is the content for this video. Eduonix has launched this summer sale offer. You can just make use of it. So I hope you'll find this video very useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, you can just subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, some special offers on different courses, jobs, internships, workshops, and other online events. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.